If studying feels painful, congratulations. Your dopamine settings are broken. But don't worry, I'm about to fix them. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to instant dopamine. And the reason studying feels impossible is because your brain doesn't see the reward fast enough. But here's the crazy part. You can rewire that system. Not with motivation, not with discipline, but with a routine so dopamine optimized your brain literally gets addicted to studying. This is the advanced version, the version that feels illegal. Let's begin. Why studying feels impossible, the real dopamine science. Most people think dopamine equals pleasure. Nope. Dopamine equals anticipation, the expectation of a reward. Scrolling is addictive because your brain gets reward every 0.3 seconds. Studying gives reward after 30 minutes, 1 hour, maybe longer. Your brain isn't lazy, it's doing math. Why wait 30 minutes when TikTok gives me a reward every heartbeat? So we're not fighting laziness, we're fighting the timing of dopamine. This routine fixes that. The dopamine loop system. This is a 4-phase routine that manipulates dopamine timing, anticipation, reward prediction, and habit loops. Phase 1, pre-study dopamine detox, 10 minutes. No, not a 24-hour detox, just 10 minutes. Because scientifically, after 10 minutes of low stimulation, your dopamine baseline resets enough to make boring tasks feel easier. So, no music, no scrolling, no conversations. Just sit, hydrate, breathe. Let your brain calm down. This is your dopamine reset. Most people start studying with a fried brain, that's why they fail. Phase 1 fixes that. Phase 2, the 90-second dopamine trigger. We need to create a dopamine spike right before studying to make your brain expect reward when you study. Do one of these for 90 seconds. Pump up playlist, cold splash on face, jumping jacks, quick walk, 3 deep breaths plus affirmations, light stretching, chewing gum. Yes, it increases focus. This triggers dopamine plus noradrenaline equals study readiness. Your brain now predicts something rewarding is about to happen. Good. We want that. Phase 3, the drop into flow start, the illegal technique. This is the part 99% of people get wrong. Don't start with the hardest task. Don't even start with medium difficulty. Start with a 1 to 2 minute ultra easy micro task. Something tiny. Examples. Write the title of a chapter. Solve 1 easy question. Read 5 lines. Rewrite 1 formula. Why it works. Completing a tiny task gives a fast dopamine hit. Convincing your brain, oh, this is rewarding too. You're tricking your brain's reward system into believing studying equals fast satisfaction. That's the addiction switch. Phase 4, the momentum addiction loop. This is the full routine that builds the addiction. Study block, mini reward, reset, study block, mini reward. Not long sessions, not painful marathons. Use 23-minute study blocks, optimal for flow formation. After each block, give yourself 60 seconds of a micro reward. 1 song, chocolate bite, stretch, look outside, small walk, 30 seconds phone if you have strong control. This creates a dopamine loop. Reward, study, reward, study, reward. Your brain now associates studying with predictable, frequent dopamine. This is how you get addicted. The neuroscience of why this works. When you do this routine daily, your dopamine baseline rises, tasks feel less painful, your reward prediction system shifts. Your brain rewires to expect pleasure from studying. The delay between effort and reward shortens. Studying becomes mentally easier. You crave the progress. You crave the routine. You crave studying. This is literal neuroplasticity on command. After approximately 7 days, your brain identifies studying as a high dopamine behavior. That's addiction. A good one. You're not unmotivated. Your brain just hasn't tasted the right version of studying yet. Give me 1 week. 1 week of this routine and studying won't feel like a chore. It'll feel like a habit you want to return to. This is how you build discipline without discipline, motivation without motivation, addiction without guilt. Let's make your brain addicted to success. Let's make studying your new dopamine hit.